Hello guys, so today we're going to use this small glass to do a few DIYs. So I'm going to take these balloon stick. I'm going to use two, but I'm only going to use two of the balloon holder and then the balloon stick. I'm going to spray paint it in gold. You can leave it as that if you would like. Then go ahead and put some hot glue all the way around it like that. Then once you do that, just go ahead and attach it to the middle of the glass. Just hold it into place until it attached. Then after that, I'm going to place a few rocks at the bottom part like that. And then just go ahead and fill it up with a cute little leaves and flowers. The smaller the flower is, the better it will look in this DIY. So then just go ahead and put it whatever color you would like. And then I'm going to take my balloon and attach it to the top of the balloon and just put it through the balloon holder like that. And now I didn't want it to look as plain as that, so I'm going to just put a small flower in the middle like that. Just go ahead and attach it with hot glue. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. These DIYs are easy DIY that anybody can do, and you don't need to have any experience on doing DIYs. I'm doing simple DIYs today that you guys can do at home. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take the balloon out because we're not gonna use this out. I'm just gonna fill up the whole thing with rocks. I'm gonna put some hot glue all the way around it, and then I'm gonna put some floral foam inside, just attach it into place. Then after that, I'm gonna take my flower, put the toothpick inside for better attachment, and then I'm just gonna place it inside and then just continue going all the way around until you do the whole thing out. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. These are like simple DIY that you guys can do. You can leave it as that, or you can also just do it more simpler and just put with a white flower with a little bit, a hint of a color flower inside. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take the flower out of the base like that, and then after that I'm gonna put some hot glue all the way around the base. Then after I do that, just go ahead and take a candle holder. I took this candle holder, comes in black, and just spray paint it in gold. Then just go ahead and attach it to the bottom, and then put some hot glue on the top, and then attach your floral foam to the top like that. Then once you attach both of them into place, just go ahead and take your flower and fill it out like that until you do the whole thing out. Now after you're done with the top, for the bottom part, we're going to take one of these floral foam, the round one. I'm just going to place it at the bottom, and before you do that, just go ahead and put some hot glue in the middle. Just make sure to put enough hot glue, and then just go ahead and place it on top to attach it into place like that. Then after you do that, you're gonna take I took these green leaves. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue and attach it around the floral foam, and then just go ahead and attach flower around it so it can look super cute. Then after you do that, you're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Just attach some greenery and some flower as well, and so you do the whole thing all the way around it. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do at home. You can leave it as that with a little bit of orange, or you can also just do it plain like this one. I'm giving you a different idea. You guys decide how you guys think it looks better. I'm giving you the idea, then you could just transform it into whatever you guys are doing, or party decoration that you guys doing. Now you can also just leave it as that, simple and easy as well. You could put a little plate and a mirror, or you could also just leave it in plain like that. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Lily, and I hope you guys like this DIY video.